Hi everyone, so today we're going to be talking about the instant ice. So I already stimulated one. I just pulled it out of the freezer and you could see that there's a little bit of liquid in there, but it's mainly crystallized in there, okay? So the trick to this experiment is super cold water. You're catching the water when it's cold enough to freeze, but it hasn't quite frozen yet, but the crystallization already formed. When ice freezes, the water forms small crystals that gradually spread, and that's what happened in this water bottle. There's barely any water in there. Okay, so if you catch the cold water before the crystals have time to form, you can still pour the water out and it will freeze as you pour. So what I grabbed here is ice, and I'm going to try and use the water bottle that I just used. We'll see if it builds up. As you can see, you can tell more now that the crystallization already happened in this water bottle, okay? So, we know that water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. When water freezes, it needs a nucleus in order for the solid crystals to form and become ice. Water is typically full of particles and impurities which have no problem kicking off the crystallization process. Alright, and then, so what happened with me was I accidentally put the water bottle on the hard surface, so I do have another water bottle here. I'm going to try and see if I can stimulate the crystallization form. So when I hit it on the hard surface, you can see that the crystal is forming and the water bottle turned into a crystal-like substance. Alright, so I got this similar effect with the super cold water onto the hard surface. This triggered the crystals to form, instantly hardening the ice inside the bottle. The weather term for this process is called a snap freeze. The energy generated from firm hit on the side of the bottle forces the super cold water molecules to form crystal in a process called nucleation. That nucleus ice crystal is all that needs to start a chain reaction of crystallization throughout the entire bottle. Shaking or jostling the bottle has the same effect, so you have to be careful. Obviously, I messed up with this one, but then hopefully you're able to see the crystallization form in this water bottle. So I hope that this helps. Enjoy your night.